Want to use two apps at the same time on your Samsung Galaxy A07 or Galaxy A57? The built-in split screen feature, also known as multi-window, lets you run two apps side by side, making it easier to multitask. Whether you're watching a video while chatting with friends, taking notes during an online class, or comparing information between apps, this feature can significantly improve your productivity. In this guide, you'll learn how to enable and use split screen mode on your Samsung Galaxy device. Method 1. Open apps in split screen from the Recent Apps menu launch. The first app you want to use, open the Recent Apps screen by tapping the Recent Apps button or swiping up and holding if you're using gesture navigation. Browse through your recent apps and locate the app you want to place in split screen mode. Tap the app icon displayed above the app preview card. Select Open in Split Screen View from the menu. The chosen app will move to the top portion of the screen. From the list of available apps below, tap the second app you want to use. Both apps will now appear on the screen simultaneously, allowing you to work between them without constantly switching back and forth. Method 2. Use the split screen swipe gesture. Samsung also provides a faster way to activate split screen mode using a gesture. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Select Multi-Window. Enable the Swipe for Split View option. Open any app in portrait mode, swipe up from the bottom of the screen with two fingers. In landscape mode, swipe inward from either side using two fingers. Choose a second app from the app selection screen. The two apps will instantly open in split screen view, making multitasking faster and more convenient. Managing your multi-window view. Once split screen is active, you can customize the layout. Resize apps. Drag the blue divider handle to give more screen space to one app. Swap app positions. Tap the divider handle and select the swap icon to switch app locations. Replace an app. Tap the divider, select the app icon for the window you want to change, and choose a different app. And that's all there is to it. Split screen mode is now ready to help you browse, chat, watch videos, and work across multiple apps simultaneously.